So I'm back today with a process video, and I'm going to use a sketch. This sketch is in the Clique Facebook group, and it is there just for inspiration or fun, and so I thought I would pull out my February Clique Kit as well as one of the extra add-ons from the store that I'll show you in a minute. And I'm going to go ahead and follow that sketch. So I'm starting with some cotton candy shimmers, and I splattered a little bit, but I wanted bigger drops. So I'm grabbing my big paintbrush and I'm going to make some giant drops. This is another Shimmers product. This is Golden Days, and it dries to this fun, beautiful gold color. And again, I'm just going to dip my paintbrush in there to get some really big drops. If you look at the sketch, there is really, really big drops for the mixed media aspect of this layout. So I wanted some nice big droplets. And it might look like a lot right now, but when I cover everything up, you don't see a ton of it anymore. So I'm going to grab some paper towel and kind of soak all that up, because I'm just using plain 8.5 by 11 cardstock. And then I'm going to put it aside and start on my circles. So these are the papers I've chosen. There's 5 of them. That one on the top is from My Mind's Eye, and it's not part of the kit. It is an add-on that you can buy in the shop. And I will actually leave the link below in case you want to grab a couple sheets of that paper, because it is super pretty. It's like a creamy color, and then it's got these rose gold polka dots on it, and I thought it'd be really pretty. So I pulled lots of neutrals and light colors from this from the kit, and now I'm going to grab the washi tape. This is the washi tape that came in the main kit, and I'm going to cover the bottom portion of my page with the washi tape, and then I'm going to punch some more holes, some more circles, just for a shot of black. I'm also going to grab my hole punch and punch some little circles too. So from the kit this month, which if you've seen it is very kind of bright and cheerful, it has lots of good vibes collection from crepe paper in it. I pulled the black and the white and the lighter colors. So we're going to make a scrapbook page about my nephew, who is 2 months old in January, and so I wanted to have something light and kind of fun, but also something that played off the colors in my photo. I really loved the Clique Kit this month, simply for this reason, that I could pull things like the cork elements and some of these lighter colors and then mix them with a big pop of black and white. So I don't have my sketch to go by anymore. I just went ahead and cut all those circles, and then I'm going to just kind of stick and plump them. I decided to use this larger ephemera piece from the ephemera pack, from the Good Vibes ephemera pack, to mount my photo. I'm going to place that down, and then I'm just sticking and plunking all of these circles in all kinds of different places. So this is part of the ephemera pack, and it said love yourself, which I have no interest in. But I loved the cork, and I loved the fact that it was a circle but it had a pink edge. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to punch another circle of that gorgeous rose gold polka dot paper, and I'm going to place it right over those words I don't like. And then I'm going to add some words that I do like. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the thickers that came in the kit, as well as some black LA Studio letters from my stash, and I'm going to go ahead and create part of my title will be on that area. And so now I'm just going to go ahead and trim all these little excess pieces off of my layout, so I have a good idea of what my layout looks like without the circles being everywhere. And I'm just going to take these teeny tiny little dots that I did with the hole punch, and I place them around, and this is what my title will be. So I chose the gold thickers that came in the kit and my black LA Studio letters, and I'm just going to go ahead and add my nephew's name. Now, at this point, I'm realizing that I don't have 2 E's. Whoops. So, yay me for using all the E's on this letter sticker sheet, but still need one. So, to make them match so they still look like E's, I'm going to grab 2 number 3s, and I'm going to flip them around and use those for my E's instead. And there we go. And since there are no other E's on the page, it just looks like, that's how it came. So now I know I want to put like a little tag or something behind this photo, and I wasn't sure which one of these I would like. So I have the craft one from the ephemera pack, and then this is from a cut apart sheet. And I decided that I really like the one from the cut apart sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and punch a hole in that tag, and I'm going to ink it up and grab some cream colored embroidery floss from my stash and use it to tie a little bow into my tag. So all of these circles, everything, I inked everything up with Vintage Photo Distress ink, which is of course my very favorite. And so now I'm just going to tie a tag in the, I'm going to go ahead and tie this embroidery floss in my tag. And so for this layout, you'll notice that I didn't have any problems mixing the craft and the cream with the black and the white, because I viewed the craft color and the cream color, like that quirky color, and also like the cream that's in the background of that rose gold paper. Instead of viewing them as a neutral, I viewed them as a color. So just like with any other color that I'm going to put on a page, I made sure that the color was spread around the layout and looked intentional. And so that way my layout came together and it looks perfectly fine with the cream and the white and the black, because like I said, so that's a good trick, a good tip for you if you ever want to do that. You view that cream and that craft as a color and not as a neutral. So I added these cork stars from the ephemera pack, and there were 4 of them in the pack, and kind of only wanted 3, but honestly, what was I going to do with that extra 1 star? So I popped that one on there too. And this is part of the ephemera pack. These are like little words, and they have the light pink on them, and I just wanted that bottom one. So I'm going to pop that, and then I'm also going to grab these little word stickers. So these tiny word stickers came in the Traveler's Notebook kit, and they're from Pretty Little Studio, and there's a ton of them on the sheet, and I thought a couple of them down here would break up some of the circles. So that was kind of my plan with that little piece down there, and the star and the tag was just to break up the circles so your eye had something else to look at. And I think that that is pretty much going to cover this. I just add a couple of staples into the cork because I really enjoy adding staples to cork. I think it's a really kind of neat effect and adds some fun texture. Please be sure to check out the Clique Kit shop. I will leave a link to that gorgeous polka dotty paper below, and you can also find a code down below that you can use to save a little bit off of your order. I know there are a couple December kits in the shop that are really, really nice. Those December kits are, so you'll actually see I'm going to grab mine and do a couple extra layouts with it. But I hope you have a wonderful day, and here's a close-up, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye!